Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a Torx 25 bit, unscrew the 3 holding screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out, they stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Once totally unscrewed, lift the flange and remove it. Take out the air filter. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new filter back in place. To put the new one in place, slide it in from the right of the compartment. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. Replace the flange. And rescrew the 3 holding screws. Operation completed.